Today I'm going to show you guys how to siphon anything easily. No special tools or pumps or whatever, and no gas in the mouth. So I'd like to get any coolant out of this jug that I can before I pop the hoses off. All you need is 2 lengths of hose. Any hose will do, and then a rag. Just run your feed hose into a bucket. So this goes all the way to the bottom basically. And then you're going to have another hose that just goes into the jug a little bit, and you wrap a rag around here so that it seals. All you have to do is blow into this. It's going to pressurize the tank, and it's going to shoot coolant out of here. Hopefully. See if it works. We got coolant flowing. And now, once it gets flowing, the suction from here is going to continue to feed. That's about all there is.